my pass percentage is 70%. I have joined QSpiders in February. Exactly within the 4 months, I have got placed in the company called Signity with a package of 4 LPA. And the teaching and the staff is very supportive, and the teaching is very good and it's excellent. It is very helpful for me. I have learned each and everything from the scratch of complete software testing course. And the HR team is very helpful. They have supported me, encouraged me, and they added me in many interviews as much as possible as they can. And this is not the first interview which I cracked in the QSpiders actually, and this is the third interview which I have cracked, and I have chosen this company to join.